We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ellis County and for southern Dallas County until 7:45. A severe thunderstorm is located over DeSoto, moving south at 5 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Locations in the path of the storm include DeSoto, Duncanville, Lancaster, Wilmer, Hutchins, Rocket, and Trumbull, also including sections of Interstate 35 between mile markers 405 and 420, and sections of Interstate 20 and I-45 also in South Dallas County. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ellis County and for southern Dallas County until 7:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.